Welcome back to Elite Motion Car Trends, the ultimate destination for automotive enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the beastly perfection of the modern modified 2025 BMW M2, a compact powerhouse that redefines performance and design. The latest M2 isn't just a sports coupe, it's a statement of precision engineering and raw emotion fused into one breathtaking machine. Under the hood, the 2025 M2 roars with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine tuned to deliver a staggering 520 horsepower. With upgraded air intakes, a remapped ECU, and a high-performance exhaust system, every rev delivers spine-tingling power and symphonic sound. The dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast gear shifts, while the advanced launch control ensures instant torque delivery for that thrilling takeoff. The exterior has been modernized with aerodynamic carbon fiber components, a sleek front splitter, side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser that not only enhance looks but improve downforce. The custom matte finish, bold LED laser headlights, and 20-inch forged alloy wheels make this M2 stand out as a modern-day legend. Step inside and you're greeted with a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The Alcantara leather seats, ambient lighting, and a digital cockpit with BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system bring futuristic comfort to high-speed performance. Upgraded suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and adaptive drive modes make this machine as agile on winding roads as it is dominant on the track. The 2025 BMW M2 isn't just modified, it's magnified. Every detail speaks of precision, passion, and perfection. This is where German engineering meets modern artistry. Thanks for watching Elite Motion Car Trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most stunning automotive marvels.